Airways 777. That has Rolls Royce. So this was the far end of the runway.
They only use one runway?
No, because the other runway's it's on the other side.
Why don't they use that?
That was only for that's a spare runway. It's a spare runway in case like the flight path. Compared to the other ones. That's the friction. That's totally the friction. Yes, they do a good plane. Camulon. Do you see the Camulon?
No.
Those are storms from the snap platter.
Where's the Surrender?
It could over there somewhere. It's it's that way.
Oh, there it is.
There it is. We're right down the street, right?
Okay.
And there's there's somewhere. My school could be somewhere. But there's my school. So, like, they're over there. See, if we're accelerating, we'll reach altitude in like less than 5 seconds. We'll reach altitude in less than 5 seconds. There's Market over there. There's my school.
Where?
See the school? We passed it by. This is the flight path. That's Mach now. We're about to reach Mach. And there's it's over there. That's my school is over this way. We just flew over it just now.